everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this flower. It's not difficult to make, as you will see. You can put it on a beanie. In this video, this flower, I'm going to put it on a beanie. You will find a link to for a tutorial on how to make this beanie, and I'm going to attach this flower to this beanie. So at the end of this video, you will find a link on how to make a beanie with this flower attached to it. Hope that you try it. We start by making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we go in the first stitch and we make a slip stitch. Now we're going to work here in the middle here. So 2 chains, and we're going to make 11 single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, because the chains here will serve as a double crochet. 1, 2, you have to make 11, as I told you, because the first chains, those will serve as a single crochet or a double crochet, how you call it. You continue until you have 12. This is ready. We go here in the first chain here and we'll finish with a slip stitch. Now we start with next row with 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We skip the first chain, we go to the second and we make a slip stitch. Another 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We slip this one, we go to the next one and we make a slip stitch. Another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And 7. We slip the next one, we go to the other one and we made a slip stitch. And in all we continue like that. In all like this we have to have 6 of these. As you can see, we are at the first one. We go here, the first one that we started, and we finish with a slip stitch. And in all, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. Now we start the next row. We go here in the first petal, we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Another single crochet. You have to make 2. Now we have to make 4 half trebles or half double crochet. 4 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A treble or a double crochet, only one you have to make. Another 4 half trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2 double crochet or single crochet, how you call it. That is the first petal, as you can see. We go to the next one and again 2 single crochet or double crochet, 4 half trebles or 4 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, a treble or a double crochet, how you call it. Another 4 half double crochet or half trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2 single needle or 2 double crochet. As I told you, it depends how you call them. And you continue like that in all the petals, in the 6 petals you have. Now, as you can see, the first part of the flower is ready. Now I'm going to start with another. I'm going to use another color. You can continue with the same color if you want, but I'm going to use 2 colors. And I'm going to start from here in the middle here. You can start from any petal you want. I'm going to start from this one. You put the petal like this. You put the hook over here. You pull up a stitch and you leave it like that. Then you make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You go to the next petal here, you put it down like this again, you go here and you slip stitch, you make a slip stitch and another chains 1, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You go to the next petal, you put it down like this so you can work better, and you put here and you make a slip stitch, and you continue all around. In all petals you make 8 chains like I did here in the middle, and in the petal you make a slip stitch all around. You do that all around. We have finished with 8 chains. Now we are here in the first one we made. We go here and we finish with a slip stitch, and here as you can see we have other 6. Here we have 6 petals and other 6 petals. Now we're going to work in the first one here. We take the thread that we started to put it, so we hide it here. We're going to start in the first one here, first petal. So we start with a single crochet or double crochet. We make 2, 1 and 2. 2 half trebles or 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2, and 4 trebles or 4 double crochet, depends how you call them. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we finish with a double treble or double crochet, double treble. In American I don't know how you say it, double, I'm not sure how you say it. Double treble, you turn the thread 2 times on the hook and you make a treble like that. First you take out 2, then you take out there 2. Now another 4 trebles. We do the same like we did before. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 half trebles, 1 and 2, and 2 single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, 1 and 2. And that is the first petal that we have. Now I'm going to show you the second one, and then you repeat in all the petals. So single crochet, 2 you have to make, or double crochet, how you call it, 2 half trebles, 1 or half double crochet and 2, 4 trebles or 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, double treble, 1 and 2, another 4 trebles, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2 half trebles or 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2, and 2 single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, 1 and 2. And this you have to repeat it in all the petals that you have. Then I show you the finest, how it comes. And this is the final stage, how the flower comes. You can also, then you cut the thread, as of course, you can put there or a button or something or a pearl over there, and you will have this result. As you can see, it was not difficult to make. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.